everyone, my name is Maya. Have you struggled with applying glitter to powders in the past? Keep watching because today we'll show you how to apply it with ease. Okay, so first you're going to prep your nails using a fine drill bit or a buffer to help remove that shine, and then you can shape as desired. But a pro tip, use D75 Vivian Clear to apply a nice thin layer to your nail to help with that extra strength and durability. Now you're going to apply a thin layer of Pro Base to your whole nail, and then you're going to dip in your desired glitter shade in a scooping motion and then pressing down any of the glitters that are sticking up. So today we use D481 Imagine, which is just full of purple and pink glitters. Reminds me of a fairy tale, to be honest, and everyone needs this shade in their collection. Now you're going to apply another layer of D75 Vivian Clear. This is going to help protect the glitter when you're buffing and shaping the nail. Now you're going to apply a generous amount of Activator over the whole nail, covering the edges and capping the tips, and you're going to let this dry for 2 minutes. Now it's time to shape the nails using a file or drill, and then you're going to buff and smooth out the nails. Now you're going to apply your final layer of Activator, and you're going to let this sit and dry for 15 seconds. Now it's time to apply the finish gel. The first layer of finish gel is always done in 2 to 3 strokes. After 15 seconds, you're going to apply the second layer of finish gel with more even and detailed, slower strokes, making sure that you're capping your tips. So these were our tips and tricks on how to apply glitter to powder with ease. Make sure you comment down below your favorite glitter dip shade because I'm dying to know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future videos. Bye, thank you.